This Ninja Pots and Pans set nonstick is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes with 10 pieces. This includes frying pans and saucepans. There is also a stockpot. Each pot and pan has a lid, except for one frying pan. The nonstick coating is a standout feature. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. This makes cooking more enjoyable, and it saves time after meals. The comfort grip handles are a thoughtful design. They stay cool on the stovetops. This provides a secure and comfortable hold. You can move the pots and pans with confidence. The set is also oven safe up to 400 degrees F. This adds to its versatility. You can start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven. This Ninja Pots and Pans set non is dishwasher safe too. This makes cleaning even easier. The gray exterior looks sleek and modern. It will fit well with most kitchen styles. Overall, this Ninja Pots and Pans set non is a solid choice. It offers a good balance of performance and convenience. The non-stick surface works well. The comfort grip handles are a nice touch. Being dishwasher and oven safe adds to its practicality. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use cookware set, this one is worth considering. It could be a worthwhile inversion for your kitchen and your inner chef. Pros: 10-piece set, durable, scratch-resistant, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 400 degrees F, easy to clean. Heats up fast, metal utensil safe. Cons: non-stick coating may degrade over time, can be damaged by high heat, not ideal for searing at high temperatures. Some users report sticking issues. Durability of coating can vary, may not be entirely scratch resistant. Price may be a concern for some. One review mentioned quality decrease. Another noted pans rocking on burners. Scratches reported by some users. Features: non-stick, comfort grip 10-piece set, never stick, frying pan, saucepan, with lid, stock pot, dishwasher safe, oven safe. This Ninja 10-piece cookware set has non-stick pots and pans with comfy handles, so they are easy to hold. The special never stick coating means food won't stick, and they are safe to wash in the dishwasher. You can use them on the stove and even in the oven up to 400 degrees. The set includes frying pans, saucepans with lids, and a stock pot with a lid, making it a good choice for cooking different meals. The Ninja 10-piece non-stick cookware set is designed to be durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean, with the added convenience of being dishwasher and oven safe up to 400 degrees F. It heats up quickly and is advertised as metal utensil safe, though the non-stick coating might wear down over time and can be damaged by high heat, making it less suitable for high-temperature searing. While many users find them easy to clean, some have reported issues with food sticking, the durability of the coating varying, and the possibility of scratching. Additionally, a few reviews mention concerns about the price, a decrease in quality, and pans wobbling on burners.